So most people solve this question like 30 minus 10 is equal to 20, right? And again 30 minus 10 is equal to also 20. Now 20 multiply 20 is equal to 400. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So now 30 minus 10 multiply. Now 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. Now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication and then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 30 minus, now 10 multiply 20 is equal to 200. Right? So 30 minus 200 is equal to minus 170. So the correct answer is minus 170, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.